Coming up in this video, I'm going to show you how I set my lighting up. To make a scene like this, go to this. Hey, what's up everybody, the name is Amel, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing if this video helped you out in any way. Listen, doesn't matter what type of content you create on YouTube, one thing that can make or break your videos is proper lighting. Lighting can completely change the look, feel and quality of your videos. You can have the best camera in the world and still would not produce great image quality without proper lighting. Let me show you how I set up my lights for my content on YouTube. The key light is the main source of your image and subject and should be placed at least at a 45-degree angle. The problem we face now is that the light is too bright. To fix the problem, we can either move the light back from the subject at an angle, or we can dial back the brightness on the light itself. The newer P600 LED lights have a digital display in the back that lets you really dial in the amount of brightness you desire. I like to set mine brightness between 30 and 50%. By the way, if you want to check out the P600 LED lights, there's an affiliated link in the description for them. Another great thing about the lights is that you can adjust the color temperature as well. So if your subject looks crazy orange, you can adjust the temperature and then just get your camera to match the same color temperature of the lights. To help minimize shadows on the face that the key light created, we need to add a fill light on the other side of us and dial down the brightness to a lower setting than the key light. In this particular video, since I am shooting next to a monitor talking to the camera, I simply use my monitor as the fill light. It goes from this to this. If you do want to add an actual fill light, simply angle it to the side until you get a good balance of light and shadows on the subject's face. Next, you could add a rim light. A rim light helps separate your subject from the background by adding some light to your subject's shoulders and head. Placement of the rim light should be to the side, higher up and angled down a little. Now, to make the image more interesting, we can add small lights in the background to create more ambience to the shot. I have these two nightstand lights that I turn on to create more character to the background. Since I have a big white wall behind me with nothing on it, I use another light to light up the whole wall. These light gel filters are great. They come in multiple colors and fit the newer P600 LED lights. You can pick any color you want and just go with it. I'll leave a link in the description for them as well. Once I have the color I want, I simply take my P600 LED light and place it in the image so you can see it in the background. Turn it on and adjust the light to light up the whole wall. That's all I got for now. If this video was helpful to you, please share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any suggestions what I can do to make my lighting setup better, please let me know as well. Until next time guys, be safe out there and peace out.